Guys, so I am so excited about filming this month's subscription box unboxing. So first thing, I did get a stand, so hopefully this is kind of a better setup, but let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, so this is the box, very cute. I did receive this I think like an hour or two ago, so I was really excited about filming this. So when you first open it up, this is the card that it comes with. So you get the spiral notebook, focus dashboard, build your tomorrow dashboard, monthly tab sticker set, date memo, sticky note, Prosecco, transparent circle, sticky notes, Prosecco square page flags, and some journaling cards. And I'm sorry, my dogs are barking in the background. So it comes with this lovely tissue paper. So you open it up like this. You get a card that says, whatever it is you are seeking will not come in the form you are expecting. So this is really pretty and motivating, and I love that. So I guess first thing, these are the Prosecco transparent circle sticky notes. So these are amazing quality. I do have quite a few of them, so I do need to get the pen that you can use to write these on. But yeah, really excited about that. And then the next thing we have are these Prosecco square flags. So that's what the description is for that. You get 50 sheets. Very excited about using this. Next thing I see in here are these limited edition dated memo sticky notes. I love this color. I do have the white ones as well, so this is a really cute addition. Love that. Next thing we have in here are the monthly tab stickers. So let me see what it says in here. It says monthly tab sticker set. So you can use them, looks like in any planner, or I guess probably in the planner or the notebook that's included in this month as well. So very cute and functional. Next thing that we have here, I guess I'll go with this one first. So this is the looks like it's the focus dashboard. It looks like this is for the spiral notebook that's included in this month. So this is what this looks like. And this is another really pretty dashboard. It says today's the opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. So this looks like this is the build your tomorrow dashboard. Very pretty. And I guess we can go through the journaling cards before we do open up the notebook. So it looks like you get 4 different journaling cards. So this is what the packaging looks like. So let's open this up and see what this looks like. So, okay, here we go. First one, it says, make happiness a priority and be gentle with yourself in the process. I love that. So motivational. Next one, it looks like this is the January 2021 journaling card. Very pretty. This one says intention. Mental state that represents a commitment to carry out actions or plans. I love that. It's so pretty and motivational. And this says, let your experiences be your coach. Love that as well. So these are the 4 journaling cards again. And then this is the final item in this box. And it says this is a 2021 spiral notebook. Everything you need to get started planning for 2021 in one notebook with heavy duty crystal clear covers and a sleek black coil. So let's open this baby up. So it does come in a really nice saran wrap. So this is what it looks like. This is 2021. The back says, raise your standards and the universe will meet you there. Love that. So the cover on this is really nice, thick quality. Oh wow, and even the paper on this is like so nice. So I guess I'll do like a quick flip through of the notebook in case you're interested. So this is the dashboard, and I guess you can, you know, put this dashboard or this dashboard. So that's really nice. So I guess everyone this month got a universal size because we got the dashboards for this notebook. So I guess I'll do a quick flip through. It says vertical, weekly aligned. You have the world clock and conversions. You have the year at a glance, the holidays. You get January. Oh, this is so nice. So this, it looks, is this for the whole year? I don't know. Is this for the whole year? I guess. Is this? Yes, this looks like this is for the whole year. Wow. So I was actually thinking this was going to be like a plain notebook that had like different dashboards that you can put in. It was just like a blank one. So I love the fact that it's dated. So I guess like a quick flip through. So you have the month cover, and then you have like your to-do list for the month and the monthly layout, and you have this layout as well. So yeah, so this is a really, really, really nice, especially if you want to, yeah, this is like February, and you have like a note section, and then like the to-do section, and then the monthly layout, and then the weekly layout. So yeah, so it goes all obviously all the way through to December. And oh, and then we have some, looks like some contacts in the back as well, and this beautiful dashboard in the back. So yeah, so definitely amazing value this this month. So I guess I can like open up this. I love their dashboards as well because they're such great quality. So cute. The quality on these are like amazing, like very thick, really good quality. And let me see what the black one looks like. The black one is like buttery smooth. I love that. So you have these two options. So again, if you want to put, for example, this one in there, you can do that, you know, really easily, or of course change that out and then put this one in there very easily. as well. So, oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. That's so beautiful. I love that. So I'll probably play around with that. But yeah, so in case you're interested, this box is $38. Definitely amazing value this month. This alone is like it's such a great value in itself because you get like planner for the whole entire year. And yeah, and the quality on this is like amazing. And the paper on this is like really nice quality too. Because I hate like when you get like those cheapy planners and like the quality is like the paper is like super thin, but this is like really nice. So yeah, so again, let's recap what we got this month. We have this amazing notebook. We have this beautiful dashboard. We have this other buttery smooth black dashboard. We have these monthly tabs that would be perfect for this notebook if you want to use it for that or for any planner. We have these limited edition dated memo sticky notes that are beautiful, beautiful color. We have the Prosecco transparent circle sticky notes. We have the Prosecco square page flags. We have these 4 journaling cards that says, let your experiences be your coach, for the month, intention, and make happiness a priority. And we have, of course, not that interesting, like the little wrapping stuff. And then this beautiful quote and the journaling card. Oh, not the journal card, the card that says everything that it comes in the box. So yeah, so this is what is included in the November box. So definitely amazing value. I'm definitely going to stay subscribed and see what is included in the upcoming boxes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and let me know what is your favorite item that you received in this box. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.